What's up everyone? This is a tutorial on how to apply the Boron Nitride paste from Slice Engineering to your hot end. Let's get into it. Now this process shouldn't take you longer than 10 minutes if you're taking your time. Grab a paper towel, your Boron Nitride kit, and your hot end along with the heater cartridge and temperature sensor you're going to install. Today, I'm using the Mosquito hot end from Slice Engineering with their industrial heater and RTD PT1000 as seen in one of my recent videos linked in the top right. Start out by squeezing a small amount of paste onto the paper towel. Using one of the included applicators or a Q-tip, apply a small amount to the heater and temperature sensor slots in your hot end. Next, apply a small amount to the outside of your heater cartridge and temperature sensor before inserting them into their respective slots. Be sure to rotate them while pushing and pulling to ensure an even spread of paste throughout the slots. Also, make sure the wires are coming out on the side that you intend for them to. If you care about aesthetics, try to wipe away some of the excess paste on the outside of the hot end, as it is a little annoying to scrape off later. Lay the assembly down in a spot where it is unlikely to be disturbed and let it harden overnight. Now, your hot end is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, then let me know by leaving a like or a comment. I'll be sure to answer any questions I'm able to. Thanks for watching.